नमस्कार बालमित्रांनो, पुणे जिल्हा परिषद पुणे ऑनलाईन शिष्यवृत्ती वर्गामध्ये आपणा सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. आज आपण इयत्ता 5वी शिष्यवृत्ती विषय इंग्रजीमधील पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी अँड देअर फंक्शन्स हा घटक पाहणार आहोत आणि हा माझा परिचय. बालमित्रांनो, हे आपलं संपूर्ण शरीर. दिस इज आवर होल बॉडी. इट इज मोस्टली डिवायडेड इंटू 4 parts. That is our head, hands, legs and main body. There are many parts of our body, but the movements of the entire body controls an organ that is called brain. शरीराच्या सर्व हालचालींवर शरीराचा मेंदू नियंत्रण ठेवतो. आता आपण शरीराचे मुख्य भाग आणि त्याच्याशी संबंधित इतर भागांची नावे पाहूया आणि थोडक्यात त्यांचे कार्य सुद्धा पाहूया. चला तर मग. This is our face म्हणजे चेहरा. This is our head. These are our hairs. This is forehead. These are our eyes. We can see with our eyes. These are called eyebrows. These are eyelashes. पापण्यांचे केस. These are eyelids. Lids म्हणजे झाकण. डोळ्यांना संरक्षित करणारं झाकण म्हणजे eyelids. Eyelids protects our eyes. These are called pupils म्हणजे डोळ्यातील बाहुल्या. These are irises म्हणजे बुबुळे. So all these names are parts of our eyes. Now another main part of our body is our nose. Nose provides air for respiration. श्वसनासाठी हवा पुरवणं हे नाकाचं काम आहे. We can smell with our nose. This is tip of our nose and these are nostrils म्हणजे नाकपुड्या. We have 2 ears. We can hear with our ears. आपण कानांनी ऐकू शकतो. These are our cheeks म्हणजे गाल. And this is a chin. This is a mouth. Look at this. This is a mouth. These are lips. And these are teeth. And these are molars म्हणजे दाढा. And these are gums म्हणजे हिरड्या. This is a tongue. With the help of lips, teeth and tongue we can eat food and we can speak easily. Look at this. This is our neck. Head and body are connected with the help of neck. We can move our head easily with the help of neck. This is our throat. Voice is generated in this part of our body. This is our body. Hands and legs are connected to our body. हात आणि पाय धडाला जोडलेले असतात. These are shoulders. This is our chest. These are breasts. And this is our stomach. The process of food digestion takes place in this part. Look at this. This is a navel, म्हणजे बेंबी. This is our back, म्हणजे पाठ. This is our waist, म्हणजे कंबर. And these are buttocks. This part is called as spinal cord, म्हणजे पाठीचा कणा. We can stand straight with the help of spinal cord. Look at this. This is our arm. This is an elbow. With the help of elbow, we can fold our hand. This is our wrist. And this is our hand. We have two hands. This is called palm. Palm म्हणजे तळहात. These are fingers. There are 5 fingers to each hand. These are nails, म्हणजे नखे. What can we do with our hands? We can do many things with our hands. We can eat. We can draw a picture. We can write. We can fight with our hands. We can dance. Very good. Now we are going to learn name of 5 fingers of our hand. Fingers is also called as digit. So this is the first digit of our hand. It is called a thumb. The thumb differs from other digits. It is short and thick. Thumb is also called as pollex. We can do many works with our hands because of thumb. This is the second digit of our hand. It is called as index finger or forefinger or pointer finger or trigger finger. This is the third digit of our hand. It is called middle finger. It is long. This is the fourth finger of a human hand. It is also called as ring finger. This is the last finger of our hand. It is called as little finger or pinky finger. Next main part of our body is our legs. We have 2 legs. This is called as thigh, म्हणजे मांडी. This is our knee, म्हणजे गुडघा. This is called as shin. Shin म्हणजे नडगी. And this is called as calf. Calf म्हणजे पोटरी. And this is our ankle. Ankle म्हणजे घोटा. And this is our heel. म्हणजे टाच. This is called as foot. This is foot of our leg. Foot म्हणजे पाऊल. These are toes. And this is called sole of our foot. Sole म्हणजे पायाचा तळवा. We can do many things with our legs. We can run. We can walk. We can jump with our legs. We can also dance, kick, or play many games with our legs. Now we are going to learn some internal parts of our body. This is our heart. म्हणजे हृदय. The process of blood circulation takes place in this part. संपूर्ण शरीरामध्ये रक्ताभिसरणाचं कार्य हृदय करतं. These are our lungs. Lungs म्हणजे फुफ्फुसे. The process of respiration takes place in this part. This is our liver. These are our kidneys. Kidneys म्हणजे मूत्रपिंड. The main function of our kidney is to filter our blood and removes waste products through the urine. And this is our brain. Brain controls all the body movements. बालमित्रांनो, या पाठामध्ये उल्लेख केलेल्या लहानात लहान पार्ट ऑफ बॉडीची नावे लक्षात ठेवा आणि पुन्हा पुन्हा त्याचा वाचन सराव करा. चला तर मग या भागावर आधारित काही प्रश्नांचा आपण सराव करूया. आहात ना तयार सगळे? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Which body part is used for lifting something? एखादी वस्तू उचलण्याकरिता शरीराचा कोणता अवयव वापरला जातो? पर्याय वाचूया. फीट, आईज, इयर्स, हँड्स. अँड द करेक्ट आन्सर इज हँड्स. हाताचा उपयोग आपण वस्तू उचलण्याकरिता करतो. व्हेरी गुड. Now the second question is, which is the most important part of our body? आपल्या शरीराचा सर्वात महत्त्वाचा अवयव कोणता? तसे तर सर्वच अवयव आपल्या शरीरासाठी महत्त्वाचे असतात, परंतु दिलेल्या पर्यायापैकी योग्य पर्याय आपल्याला निवडायचा आहे. आय, हँड, brain, nose. And the correct answer is brain. बरोबर उत्तर मेंदू असं आहे, कारण सर्व अवयवांवर नियंत्रण मेंदू ठेवतो, म्हणजे ब्रेन. व्हेरी गुड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. If breathe, nose, then voice. श्वास नाकाशी संबंधित आहे, तर व्हॉइस म्हणजे आवाजाशी संबंधित काय? नेक, थ्रोट, चिक्स, चिन. अँड द करेक्ट आन्सर इज थ्रोट. थ्रोट म्हणजे घसा. या भागामध्ये आवाजाची निर्मिती होते. व्हॉइस इज जनरेटेड इन आवर थ्रोट. Now the next question is, which part of the following प्रोटेक्ट्स आवर आईज. पुढीलपैकी कोणता भाग आपल्या डोळ्यांचे रक्षण करतात? आयब्रोज, नोज, eyelids, eyelashes, and the correct answer is eyelids. eyelids म्हणजे पापण्या. eyelids protect our eyes. Nice. Now the next question is, choose the proper word to fill in the blank in the sentence. पुढील वाक्यात मोकळ्या जागेसाठी योग्य शब्द निवडा. Is the middle part of our body. Waist, thighs, neck, nose. And the correct answer is waist. waist म्हणजे कंबर. हा आपल्या शरीराचा मधला भाग आहे. Choose the proper related word in place of the question mark. प्रश्नचिन्हाच्या जागी योग्य संबंधित शब्द निवडा. Clap, draw, write, catch. And the options are toes, knee, hand, legs. And the correct answer is hand. Yes, correct. Clap, draw, write, and catch are the related words with our hands. Now the next question is, प्रश्नचिन्हाच्या जागी योग्य संबंधित शब्द निवडा. Breathe, smell, sneeze, mucus. And the options are eye, nose, mouth, ear. Breathe म्हणजे श्वासोच्छवास. स्मेल म्हणजे वास घेणे. स्नीज म्हणजे शिंकणे. अँड म्युकस म्हणजे शेंबूड. हे सर्व शब्द नाकाशी संबंधित आहेत. सो द करेक्ट आन्सर इज नोज. व्हेरी गुड. नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह अँड कंप्लीट द सेंटेन्स. योग्य पर्याय निवडून वाक्य पूर्ण करा. Grown-ups have dash dash bones in their body. Options are 206, 300, 100, 250. And the correct answer is 206. संपूर्ण वाढ झालेल्या मानवी शरीरामध्ये एकूण 206 हाडे असतात. तर बालमित्रांनो, अशाच आणखी काही प्रश्नांचा तुम्ही सराव करा आणि नेमके योग्य ते उत्तर निवडून त्याच क्रमांकाचा गोल व्यवस्थित रंगवा. चला तर मग पुन्हा भेटूया. धन्यवाद.